Up next, round 5, loser bracket, Busch versus Dos Equis. Okay, this is probably going to be difficult. Let me see. Busch has a 51, and Dos Equis has 65. So Dos Equis is the favorite. That's the beer advocate score. Both of these are kids' beers. They have an ABV below 5%. They're both adjunct lagers. Probably both corn-based, I don't know. Smooth, bitter, not that great. These beers are getting warm too. More flavor. I like this one. Right off. Busch. Okay. Dos Equis loses 2 in a row. You gotta make sure that I did get the Busch here, and I did, all right.